Assalamu alaikum everyone, and oh no, Pepe 2 is coming down. Why is Pepe 2 coming down at the moment? Well, I want to show you something actually that I couldn't tell you on time. So back on the Discord in my private area, I actually was in a trade and I said close Pepe 2. We actually risked just a little bit of Pepe entry right there. But the thing is that I told them that, you know what, sorry guys, Pepe 2 looks like this. I'm more confident on this pattern. So this pattern was a head and shoulder. So you can see that this was the left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder, and we were pretty much right over here. Okay, 11,250, very, very near to our entries, right? So no any significant risk that were taken, almost like 2% risk was taken out there. So yeah, I was actually even talking about how the market, has loss of volume today. So I don't see too much buyers on any coin. Looks like it would be more sideways or maybe move to the downside. Okay, and that time we were not doing anything, and eventually after some few hours after this message, the market did actually start to come down. Not only Pepe, but so many altcoins are looking to go down. I think it's always a good idea to be a part of the private. It's a little bit paid, but you can see that it has its own perks. Now let's go into the 4-hour time frame here for Pepe 2. And for me, I did see that on the 1-hour time frame, of course, that this was such a massive big left shoulder head and the right shoulder right there. I'm just going to turn on the logarithmic scale. We can get a better view. So we did have a push to the upside here. We actually even got this profits back in the private sector. We almost entered near this place, got a little bit of this pump. Some people were able to take their profit so quickly and some didn't get it. But the thing is that once you came down here, this is where I just literally closed the whole trade, right? And I did see that you're making this support touch, support line, support line, support, support, support. So this was the neckline basically. And you went below the neckline and you just started to drop, and eventually you do have a technical target for Pepe to come all the way down to this area, and that's going to be nearly 5,055. 2 days ago, I remember telling you and making an update about a 127% pump or 58% drop to the downside. Eventually, since yesterday, the direction is so clear to me that 58% drop is what is happening for Pepe 2. Now, not only I've been able to cover Pepe 2, but I've also been able to cover Pepe as well when it started out in the beginning. So you might want to follow this channel, as you might never see it again. And you can see you're getting some very good, legit updates out there. Turn on the notification bell to get more and more updates about Pepe's. And at the moment, on the 1-hour time frame, I'm going to show you one more thing. And that is you do have a move down and a little bit of a bear flag right there. So this bear flag is potentially hinting to drop all the way down. I think it's going to be from there to there, and wherever you break the flag, it's going to be here. And you can see eventually you do have a technical target, at least for now, to come down to 6,586. So this is where you're looking to go down to. Okay, so how much were we able to save from this Pepe 2? So we actually save a little bit of how much is this? So we're saving, we saved 26% dump already, and we're looking to save 44%, and not only that, but also 58% drop to the downside. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn trading the way I'm doing this one right now, if you want to be very good in trading, if you want to be my student potentially, message me on Twitter, and the link is in the description of the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.